Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final two questions of your assessment paper number 9. Alright, so remember, keep in mind that your PSLE is only 11 weeks away as I'm doing this. So please pay good attention, and let's go into the question right away. 3 boxes weigh this, and this, okay? If the first 2 boxes weigh 18 kilograms together, find the total weight of the 3 boxes. Superbly simple. I would draw 3 boxes immediately. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the first box is k plus 4. Again, like I said, don't worry about these letters. Just imagine that they are numbers. So for example, the first one could be 10 kilograms. The next one is 2k kilograms. Now it would definitely be maybe 12 kilograms, okay? And of course, 3k minus 4 kilograms. Maybe this thing is 14 kilograms, okay? So the question is, if the first 2 boxes weigh 18 kilograms together, which means that this plus this actually is equals to 18, can we already form an equation? It's very simple. I think you already saw it. So k plus 4, in other words, this kilograms plus 2 kilograms, 2k kilograms is equals to 18. So what do we do now? We put all the letters on one side to 3k, put all the numbers on the other. So look at this. When you get a plus 4 and you bring it over the equal sign, it transforms to a negative. So 18 minus 4 gives you 14. So k is equals to 14 over 3. Let's leave it as this first. Okay. And the next part, the question says that find the total weight of the 3 boxes. So what is the total weight of the 3 boxes? It's actually k plus 4 plus 2k plus 3k minus 4. So plus 3k. Okay, now this is something that I want to teach you. So I'm just going to leave it as 3k minus 4, okay? With a bracket. Okay, just leave it as a bracket first. Now, why do we put brackets in the first place? Why we put brackets in the first place is so that we avoid making some mistakes like what I'm going to show you. So k plus 4 gives you k plus 4. Plus 2k remains as plus 2k. Now, plus 3k gives you plus 3k. But plus minus 4. Can you see there's a plus here? Plus and minus 4. Now, what is the answer? Is it plus or minus? Plus times minus gives you minus 4. So that's the correct answer. So k plus 2k gives me 3k. 3k plus 3k gives me 6k. Plus 4 minus 4 gives me 0. So total weight is actually 6k. If k is equal to 14 over 3, 6k is equal to 6 times 14 over 3. Now what we can do is we can cancel this off, and we will have 2 over here. 2 times 14 gives me the answer of 28 kilograms. So the total weight is actually 28 kilograms. Bam. Alright, good job. Let's move on to the final question, which is the bonus question. And the bonus question is actually not as difficult as you think it is, as I've always done it, but it's actually something that you keep seeing in your PSLE papers. So Bob's age is 2/3 of his sister's. Bob and his sister. Bob's age is 2/3. Let's draw a model. 2/3 means he has 2 parts out of 3 as compared to his sister. So his sister has 3 parts. Okay, that's what I'm going to draw for you. The next part, it says that his sister will be 42 in 12 years' time. Now, why do they tell us that? They tell us that because we want to know what is his age, his sister's age right now. So if his sister's age was 42 in 12 years' time, now sister's age would be equals to 42 minus 12. Why? Because let's imagine if I told you, now your age will be 24 in 12 years' time. So your age now is 24 minus 12, which gives you 12. So sister's age is actually 42 minus 12, which gives me 30 years old right now. It then says, in how many years' time will Bob's age be 5/6 that of his sister's? In other words, 5 parts out of 6 parts. So if his sister's age now is 30, okay, what can you tell me? 3 units is equals to 30. Therefore, 1 unit is equals to 10, 20, 30. Correct. Which tells me that Bob is now 10 and 20 years old. Now, the question is, how can Bob's age be 5/6 that of his sister, and how long? Yeah. So for it to be 5, 6, that means now it's 2/3, right? So we open 1, 2, 3 to get 5 units, and then we open another 1, 2, and 3 to get 6 units. Now what can you see? That means in how long time? That means it is in 30 years time. As you can see, both took 30 years to reach 5, 6. Can you see? So how many years time do we take? We take 30 years time. Okay, that's the answer. So in other words, how do you put in the working? If you just simply put 3 units is equals to 30. Therefore, 1 unit is equals to 10. And therefore, 6 units must equals to 60. Therefore, and 5 units equals to 50. So 5 over 6 give me 50 over 60 give me 5, 6. So the next part is actually just simply put 60 minus 30 years old, which is now gives me 30 years time. So that's the answer. So if you got both answers right, very proud of you. I'm going to give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Alright, so right now our questions will be quite intensive in that I'll give you a lot of questions, but it's only for your own good. Like I told you in class, PSLE is the start of everything for you. So take it seriously and decide now to have no fear of math, no more fear of math, and to keep forward, to look forward, and keep moving forward. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.